my name is Liv Celene if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back to view more content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Okay guys, so today's video is all about hair. I'm super excited. So this is going to be my first like real start to finish install on myself. Fingers crossed, y'all. I'm not like, I wear a lot of wigs, but I don't like do my own. So this is going to be interesting. Yeah, so I got this wig from Unice Hair Company. They're a company that they have their own website, but they also have a store on Amazon. So not Amazon, I think Amazon actually too, but ALIEXPRESS. So I got it through ALIEXPRESS, and it's the end of January, but I guess they had overstock in their holiday packaging, so it still says Merry Christmas to you. But this is the box. I ordered it on a Sunday and it came on a Wednesday, and the email before it shipped was like, sorry for late shipping, and it came in 3 days. So I mean, if that's late, I don't know what on time is, but it came in 3 days. Inside the box you will get your wig. I'm so excited. Wig caps and an adjustable band that you can put on, which I probably will end up actually adding this at some point to it. So the wig comes in a little net. Take the wig out, take the paper out, and here is the unit. Okay, it is a 13 by 6, 18 inches, natural color. It's supposed to be pre-plucked with baby hairs already out. 180% density. Y'all, it's super soft. I was actually really surprised. Like, I got it probably like 3 days ago now, so I've like played with it a little bit, but super soft. It's not shedding when I'm pulling through. Yeah, it's supposed to be HD lace. Is it HD? Y'all don't know nothing about this stuff. I think it's either like HD or invisible or one of those. I don't know. But yeah, so we are going to be laying this bad girl right here. So to ensure that I get this thing as late as possible, I bought a few things. So you already know I'm not installing no wig without a hot comb, okay? We need to get her flat. So got a hot comb. That would be a lifesaver. Also just got some mousse, nothing important. Got some mousse. I already have like got to be and all that stuff, so I didn't have to get too much. Got a new pair of shears. But yeah, so this is her straight out of the box. I'm going to not do the stocking cap method or the bald cap method or whatever, where you are actually gluing your wig cap on. I'm just gonna go ahead and slip my wig cap on and put a little powder just on the front of it. Oh, one other thing that I got that I'm excited about is, where is it? Oh, right in front of my face. I got this lace spray, lace blending spray. Basically, it's just lace tint from the Wig Dealer. I follow them on Instagram, and I was looking to buy one of their wigs, but I saw they had some really good accessories as well. So I got it in the shade Espresso, and as you can see on the wig, the lace, I mean, it's transparent. That's what it is. It's supposed to be in transparent lace. Yeah, that's what it's called. But yeah. So you can see, like, I mean, I don't really, this is just what I see people do on Instagram. Like, I don't know, but like, I don't know. We're just gonna spray it so it can match my skin tone even better. So I kind of just want to do a fresh out of the box install, but I know I'm probably gonna have to go in and tweeze, pluck the hairline a little bit. I'm not really like confident in doing that. But this is just a beginner. Like, I'm trying it out, so we're just gonna see what we can do, and we're just gonna see what happens. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so for filming purposes, I'm going to be looking straight ahead of me into this mirror, but I'm gonna have the camera on me like this so you guys can still see everything I'm doing. And honestly, I'm probably about to switch over to voiceover for the rest of the video because, y'all, that drop that happened earlier, my powder shattered. Love that. Y'all, this is my powder that's discontinued. Wait. Anyways, I'm just adding the powder, what I can, to where the part will be. And then I'm switching to voiceover. So starting out, I am just gonna slip on the wig and start fitting it to my head.
Perfect.
I'm just gonna clip my hair back to get it out of the way. And then I'm gonna go in and cut off the ear flaps just so I can get a real custom fit. Next, I'm gonna go in and just cut a center line down the lace to create 2 flaps. And then I'm kind of just using the back of my comb to create a line where exactly I need to lay the lace. So going in with the black Got To Be glue, I am just using the back of a brush and laying it across my hairline. So I'm going in with the blow dryer just to get it tacky, and I didn't want to use any glue like Bold Hold or anything because I know I'm definitely wanting to take this off at night, and just using Got To Be is a lot easier. You can just get it off with alcohol, super easy. So I'm going in with the second layer of the Got To Be glue, and I'm just going to repeat it and go in with the blow dryer. So now I'm going in with the Got To Be spray, and I'm just going along the same area. I just put that in. Again, I'm going to repeat that, lay it down, and go in with the blow dryer. Okay, so now that it's good and tacky, I am just going to go ahead and lay the lace directly right where I need it and just start combing back the hairline. Just really get it to try to stick on. Go in with the blow dryer and get that tacky. And again, I'm going to repeat that step on the other side with the flap. And you can make more flaps as well. I just made 2 big ones. If I do this again, I'm probably going to create 4 instead, so I can just lay each piece directly and more precisely. I'm going in and I attempted to do baby hair and just kind of like tweeze the hairline even more, but honestly I'm not that skilled with tweezing. I really need to go and try to do it a little better in practice, but I did a little. It wasn't enough, but yeah, this is where you would just go in and pluck as much as you can to get that natural looking hairline. Alright, and so I got a little messy with how I applied the spray and the gel. It wasn't as precise as it needed to be directly where I laid the lace, so I'm just going back in with a little alcohol on the rag and kind of just loosening up the areas of the lace that needed to be cut off that were stuck still. And then I'm going in and just cutting off the lace as well. And I'm using jagged movements with the scissors so I can get more of a realistic look rather than just a straight blunt cut. Alrighty, so now I'm going in for the part. I'm just going to do a long middle part for this look. And so I'm going in with the hot comb, and you can see I literally just do a few passes and it's already visibly way flatter than the other side. So we're just going to keep going. And I honestly can't tell you how many passes I did with the hot comb. Like, I just wanted to make sure it was as flat as possible. So I just did this for a little while. Alrighty, and after 100 years of running the hot comb through my hair, we can see that we got this bad boy flat. I go in and try to tweeze a little more. Again, it really didn't do much, but I tried. So going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm just running that along my parts. And also a little bit around the front of the hairline. So I'm just going to do a few more passes with the flat iron just to try to get it as straight as possible. And the final step is just using some mousse, and I feel like this is what really tied it together. The mousse laying on top just made it just look good and flat and nice. I don't know. I think it's just what made it pop. So yeah, I just did this a few times around my head and ran the back of the hot comb over it as the last minute touches. And yeah, there we have it. So I just finished for the most part. I think I'm still gonna go in and style, maybe cut a little bit, throw some curls, I don't know yet, but this is the basic install, y'all. I mean, I think it did okay for my first time. I'm not really like a baby hair type of person. I would have like tried, I did try, but I'm just not about to send myself out like that. Like, I know I probably need to pluck a lot more for me to like get the perfect like good looking baby hair lace. So we're just gonna, ooh, yeah, gotta go back and cut this flap. Ooh, Jesus. Yeah, gotta go back and cut that flap off. But other than that, I don't think it's that bad, bro. I think it serves its purpose, you know what I'm saying? Very inexpensive and very affordable as well. So this is definitely like just an easy wig to have in your collection. Yeah, like the lace, I mean, it's not, it's on there, but like it ain't melted. Like, you know, I'm not gonna flex and be like, oh, where's the lace? Cause it's girls right there. But but you know what I'm saying? It's okay for my first install. This part I did mess up. I cut too much flap off on this side, so it doesn't have the same effect as on this side. But yeah, it's not bad. I'm gonna just keep it down though, like this. I'm mad at it. Let me just stand up. Yeah. I just feel like the most important thing is flat. It's laying flat and it's doing what it's supposed to do, so. Alrighty. So thank you guys so much for viewing this video. I definitely I mean, I always need my hair done, so hopefully, you know, I'll get the hang of it and we'll be able to start doing more install videos and more about units. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.